Hello guys and welcome in this very short video where I'm gonna break down the steps that we follow in order to install your location creator action automation for workflows inside your sub account and execute actions. How do we set it up? Inside your sub account, come down here at the app marketplace and then you search for the app location creator, install. You come down here at allow and install. You just have to type your email address. You continue and then you select the plan and you confirm. After that, you just have to go on complete installation and you're ready to go. This means that the tool is already connected in your sub account and you guys are ready to execute actions and you guys are ready to execute actions. So if you ever have any question, guys, feel free to reach us. A very dedicated and we have a very dedicated team. We have a very dedicated team who is also available 24/7. Thank you for watching the video, guys.